In this world of tech, computers, phones and the ever-pervading AI, how do you connect with nature? Do you get the opportunity to grasp some wood shavings? Or even those wood shavings from dealing with a piece of wood? Something that was once part of a tree, and through actions, looking at the wood, you end up with something that's connecting it to nature, both in its manufacture and ultimately its use. So see if you can get away from the AI slop and the world of algorithms. Connect with nature and somehow make your own pile of wood shavings.